Hi everybody, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. My name is Jennifer Nido. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based here in Texas. So guys, just like my thumbnail, it's been a very productive, hectic week for me. I've been working on a lot of dresses, beading them, trying to finish them up for a photo shoot this weekend. And I'm going to be showing you after everything is done. But today is just going to kind of show you my life as a fashion designer. It's not always glamorous. My studio is in a mess. I'm going to show you everything, guys. And yeah, what I've worked on so far. Most of the outfits are not finished because I have to still bedazzle them, but this is like a process video, and I hope you guys enjoy it and engage. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let me show you guys. Hi guys, so this is the corset that I made, this one. I'm going to be putting this on it. This is the skirt that I made for it. Yeah, I'm loving this corset. This is another one that I made. It has like 3D flowers. It has a skirt I'm going to be showing you. This is another one that I made. I'll show you the fitting in between. Yeah, this is how it looks. And then I put some appliques on it. So this is how it looks on the mannequin. I'm not done yet, but this is how it looks so far. And I'm loving it. I'm still going to put stuff and then stitch the borders round, but this is how it looks. And it is beautiful so far. I'm loving it. What do you guys think? Hi guys, so I dropped my pattern off camera. It's a bustier corset top, but it's going to be structured. And this is it. This is the front pattern with the yoke, and this is the back pattern. It's going to have like a lacing bar at the back. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys. I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and yeah. This is another dress that I made and I beaded it. This is heavy already. Guys, I don't even know. Oh my goodness. This is it. So this is the second one. Look at the beading. I had to turn off the lights to show you guys. And I'm going to increase it right now. Yeah. So this is the second one. It's a mermaid skirt too. The flare at the back, and it has like some appliques here beading on the neck. It has the applique too on the sleeve. I showed the video of how I made these appliques. Yeah, but I love the way it looks. Especially this part. I mean, it's not the mannequin's part. By the time I wear it and lace it up, it would. But this is how it looks. And this is another one that I made. I'm going to be showing you the beading. It just has beading by the side all the way down. I'll show you pictures. This So guys, this is a third dress. It's a burnt orange pencil sweetheart dress. This is how it looks like. And then it has the beading by the side all the way to the ground. I mean, all the way to the bottom part. And then the same thing on both sides. I added a little bit of and it's like a blue purple in between just to give it some design. But this is how it looks, and I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. What do you guys think? It still has something here that I'm going to create with what's it called, fishing line, just to give it a very structure, you know. But I'm loving it. Burnt orange is one of my favorite colors, just like blue. Yeah, so what do you guys think? I love. This is another one. This is an unconventional wedding dress. This is how it looks. I'm not done yet. I'm going to be putting like flowers, you know, on top, just, you know, bedazzle it. This is another dress. Guys, it's a lot. Yeah. So this is a skirt. For the other one I made, because it has like an asymmetric cut on the waist, I had to put like appliques on it. Mess, if you can see, I've been walking back to back this week. It's just been a lot, but I just wanted to show you guys. This is more like, you know, behind the scenes of what I've been working on.